something has which can hamper our growth. So which is that our unhealthy habits, and which can stop our growth. And also because of this we don't go to our full potential. You can understand this uh, with this image. In this, if I open the full tap of this and try to fill this bucket, but I imagine it will full, but will it fill full? No, because of it has holes. Similarly in our life, we can do any hard work in our life, but if our life has same holes like unhealthy habits have, so we don't go to our full potential. So then my question is that, so how would we, what would we do, how to escape it? There is some things which we can replace these bad things to good things. Let's start. So the first is Instagram scrolling. It is normal. Most of the people have their own some other distraction, and which can they make it unproductive. But it's some common which we all have, like Instagram scrolling. Most of the people can see and score Instagram reels in night, like 1 hour, 2 hours, which we can convert it into sleep. So if we don't sleep, so you can imagine if you sleep in the night, and you when you will wake up next day, so you would fresh. And with this, my next point is fast food. Fast food. Most of the people can like to eat fast food like momos, pastries, many other. So because of that, they do not able to, they can feel laziness and sleepy. Because of that, they can transfer their fast food to homemade food. If they can use to eat fast food like pastries, momos, so they can suffering from laziness and sleeping. So because of that, in our day there are many times which we have active. So because of this, our activeness would off. And also these many toxic friendships. We all have some toxic friendship, but they are the kind of friends which can push us in a negative way, not in a positive way. So we should replace in a good friendship and good friends. And with this, the next one is TV. I don't telling you to don't watch TV, but most of the people can use and like to watch TV 1 and 2 hour. We can replace it as exercise. Only you can watch the TV 1 hour and do 1 hour exercise, because exercise is very important in your life. Most of the people do not do exercise in his life. Like if a person can do exercise, because our brain is not able. If we don't do exercise, if we do exercise, so our mental health will good better. And next is most of the people can do complain in his life. Most of the complaining of many words, so we can transfer it as a our gratitude. And also and like most of the people in his day, they can think over as their potential, but without this we can don't think over. Because of that, we can action, we can do action for anything. Most of the people can only think over, but they don't action on it. So it's the biggest problem in our life, people. So we can change it. And also most of the people can do blame to others. Like take an example of, if a person can do good thing, so he will take all the opportunity for him. I will do that, I did that. But if a person can did bad thing and go in a loss, so he can directly blame to other person. So we don't do that. Because of that, we can transfer it as a responsibility. At the end, after this presentation, you might get motivated. and you can think that I will do that in a day, today night and next day. So at the end, I want to share one thing, which is that choose smaller steps is a good thing, because most of the people can think that I will do in the night, but you can imagine that as you are now, so you can try to be a 1% better than as you was yesterday, only 1%. So after this time to time you will become a good. So always choose a smaller step. We've taken an example, like it's a small steps and it's a kind of big step. A person can start to do a small steps, so he will do easy and achieve his goal. But if a person can try to do a big steps, so meanwhile a person can get bored and tries tired, so then he quit this uh, goal. So thank you for my presentation. That's why I told this. You don't decide your future, decide your habit. Thank you.